Part 13 of our Indian Constitution deals about the trade, commerce and intercourse within the territory of India. Whatever trade relating to the within the territory of India, commerce, whether it is business affair or intercourse. So these are clearly explained in this part 13 of our Indian Constitution. In this part 13 of our Indian Constitution explained Article 301 to 307. Let us discuss about the one by one articles. Article 301, freedom of trade, commerce and intercourse. Freedom of trade. So any business affairs can be done, permitted to do their activities. Freedom of trade or commerce, business activities or intercourse. That was clearly mentioned in this Article 301. Article 302, power of Parliament to impose restrictions on trade, commerce or intercourse. Article 302, power of Parliament. Our Union Parliament is having power to impose restrictions on trade. So whatever impositions restricted by the Union Parliament, that is applicable throughout our country. So no one can exceed the limitations of the Parliament rules and regulations, Parliament, commerce or intercourse. So we should follow the instructions which was approved by the Union Parliament. That is supreme. That is supreme. Article 302. Article 303. So restrictions on the legislative powers of the Union and of the states with regard to the trade or commerce. Restrictions on the legislative powers of the Union. So what are the restrictions on the legislative powers of the Union and states? So that is clearly explained in this Article 303. What are restrictions? So Union restrictions on the legislative powers of the Union of the states with regard to the trade or commerce. So according to Constitution, there is some limitations regarding to the trade or commerce. They should follow trade or commerce business agreements. So they should not exceed. So according to Constitution, there is some restrictions whether it is relating to the Union or state or relating to the trade or commerce affair, according to Article 304. According to Article 303. Article 304, restrictions on trade, commerce and intercourse among the states. Restrictions on trade, commerce, intercourse among the states. Whether any business or commerce or trade agreements among the states, there is some restrictions according to Constitution. So whatever approved by the Union Parliament, they can follow as it is. So there are some restrictions on trade, commerce, etc. according to Article 304. Article 305, saving of existing laws and laws providing for state monopolies. Saving of existing laws providing for state monopolies. That is Article 305. Article 306, power of certain states in Part B of the first schedule to impose restrictions on the trade and commerce. Power of certain states to impose some restrictions on the on trade or commerce, which is regarding to the first schedule. That is Article 306. Article 307, appointment of authority carrying out the purposes of the Article 301 to 304. Appointment of the authority to carry out the purposes of the Articles 301 to 304. That is clearly explained in this Article 307. That is Part 13 of our Indian Constitution. Article 301 to Article 307 deals about the Indian Constitution. That is regarding to the trade, commerce or intercourse within the territory of India.